Hi, how to check if a cell value is empty in Excel? Well, if let's say in this column G, which is a source of FDI, and by the way, these are fictitious data. And in this column here, if the value here is empty, then what you do is that on the column I here, you're gonna put the name value as foreign. Okay, so put that foreign. So how to do that? So you just take one. Well, what I mean is like this, right? If it's not empty, then you put it as foreign. Okay, and if it is you see, right? I got some foreign. If it's not empty, if it's empty, you put it as domestic. So there are two possible values that you need to put it inside. So how do you do that? Okay, that is where we want to use the if function. Now the thing is that, what is it for you to enter the right value? Okay, pause this video and see how you solve it. Okay, thank you. So now we can do it. Now that is using the if function, and we click on this column here and we check whether is it equal to empty, and then comma. Now that is how we check whether a cell is empty. Is it equal to empty? So the empty is using the two double quote, and then here we put it there. If it's empty, then it is domestic, because there's no source from foreign direct investment. And if it is not, you have then you put it as foreign, and that's it. And now you can just double click here, and you can see that these are all domestic. Okay, so that's one way to do this exercise. Okay, and now there is another way, which is to convert this into Excel table by pressing Ctrl T and then click OK. And then this is a given name called table, and we just call it for this foreign direct investment. Say that's one. And then we go to the data tab, click on from table range. What we need to do is to look at the source of direct investment. So we go to add column, condition column, and over here we choose source of FDI, and want to check whether it's equals to, now there's a lot of things here, right? So equals to, oh yeah, can we just put it as admin, and okay, then we can put this as foreign, domestic, if it's equal domestic, and then add sorry, it should be delete, else would be foreign. Okay, let's just try it out. Right, we don't know whether it's correct. Let's just see that. Nope, that's not a way to check whether it's empty, although it's equal to empty. Oh, we should change the big, because in Powerquery, right, it changes to now. Okay, so it's changed now. Okay, you can see that now it's equal to. So Powerquery automatic change those cell value with empty into now. So you need to check differently. You need to check now, and after that, we can just go ahead and delete this column and rename it to foreign versus domestic, and there you go. And you can change other features that you want to, such as these ones, date. So date. These are value. So that should be great. And then we go to head to home, and then click close, and click close, and it will load into a new sheet. Alright, so you just learn how to use Excel, the Excel way and the Powerquery way. Thanks for watching. God bless you. God bless Asia.